We are back again with another episode on Before You Implement AI. Now we are going to discuss point number 1. Point number 1 states that before you implement AI, you need to make sure that you have a data and digital strategy in place. Now I'm going to take you back in the year 2006 when Sir Clive Hamby, who is a British mathematician, declared
data as the new oil.
Now that meant that it was no longer to be the oil, but data to drive economies and growth. So if I'm to take you back in history, before it was oil that was actually running everything. Industries were running on oil to process, movements were dependent on oil, and a lot of things were dependent on oil. And again, if you're to realize that countries that actually had the resource of oil were considered the richest. Some of you may bear me witness, some what's happened in particular countries simply because of the oil, the resource that is there, okay? For example, when oil was discovered in Uganda, many of us thought that Uganda was to actually move swiftly to another level, but that's not the case. Simply because today, data is the new oil. Now, how does data become new oil?